This guy decides to camp inside his truck in the middle of the forest, but as he was sleeping at night, he hears someone circling right out his truck, and after that, what happens next is truly terrifying.
Wait, he's touching my truck. He's literally touching my truck. How am I supposed to get him away? He's literally knocking. He's literally knocking on my truck. The canopy, the back door's locked. I've never been this scared before ever. I don't think he knows that